All right, let's start this episode 1 or month 1 or whatever I decide to call this. Today and every month, I'm going to put my money where my mouth is. I've been making the what if videos for a little while now, talking about how if you invested instead of bought, how much money you'd have. Well, that is the goal of this series. I'm going to buy some of those products. Now, I can't buy them all, or I would run out of money, of course. But I'm hoping y'all will comment and let me know what I should invest in instead of spend. Let's jump into the Excel spreadsheet dashboard. You'll notice I have 2 preloaded stocks, Apple and Netflix. Apple is the stock that started it all. This is where the what if journey of mine began. Back in 2014, I took about $500 and bought Apple stock for my daughter. I was able to buy about 5 shares. From that point on, I didn't touch Apple again. I didn't buy another single share. Well, it has stock split along the way, and with dividends, she currently has 13 shares valued at about $3,500. That's pretty amazing, huh? Another inspiration came to me when I saw an online article saying if you bought Apple stock for $3.99 instead of the first iPod, you would have over $200,000. I wondered what else would be worth a lot of money if you chose to buy the stock instead. Well, hopefully with this series and my what if series, I can answer some of those questions for you and teach how little it takes to get started investing. With Apple out of the way, I decided my next purchase was going to be Netflix, and that I would purchase the standard subscription cost every month. Now at the time of this video, the stock market is closed, so I've placed an order for market open the next day and will purchase $17.99 in stock. That's the price of a standard subscription for Netflix today. The amount of shares purchased here that you see on the spreadsheet will be a placeholder, and I'll update the chart as we go month to month. From here, we will go into the portfolio summary. I'm going to track the total of the invested, how much I've spent, the current value of what it's at, its total gain, and percentage lost or gained. Also, how many stocks I have, which at this point it'll be 2 come tomorrow on market open. You'll see that Apple here dominates with 99% of the holdings, and then also I'll have a portfolio growth over time, which should track, how well this series goes of buying the stock instead of the product. Well, this is probably going to be a short video, and I look to do this every month, but thanks for joining me. And if you like this content, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment, because your comment could be my next suggestion on what stock goes in this list next. All right, thanks.